Hello friends, here is the new Redmi Note 5 Pro. So we gonna unbox it. Let's see, it is the 464 model, 4GB RAM and 64GB model. And let's see you. It has a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera and a Snapdragon 636 processor. It's come with a 4000 mAh battery and its display is 5.99 inches. So it's a very big phone. So let's unbox it. So in the box content we get a cover, keep it side, and here is the new Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's quite heavy. So let's see. Keep aside and we see it later. Here are the quick startup guides, and in the box content we get a USB type 2 charger. Its rating is 5 volt 2 amps, and we also get a micro USB cable. It's nearly 1 meter length. Oh, here is a small SIM ejector. I also show you. See, it's very small. Keep aside and further see the phone. So it's look very nice. In the upper side it has a higher blaster and secondary mic higher blaster, and side edges here is volume rockers and volume rockers and power lock. And the bottom side here is the speaker grills and a USB type 2 port. Here is the primary mic and a earphone slot. Inside is a hybrid SIM ejector. Nothing this. I will show the SIM ejector you. Hello. So you can see that yes, it is a hybrid solution. Here is the nano SIM slot, and here is the micro USB, micro SD card and a SIM card. So you can use either one SIM card and a one micro SD card or dual SIM. So let's on it. Here we give haptic feedback. Here mi.com. Wait until I set up its all process. So it boots up and I set up my fingerprint. First time I put a pattern. Yes, its fingerprint is quite responsive, and you can show that update is available. Device Redmi, Android version is 7.1.1 Nougat. It comes with a box Nougat, so it's very good. Sorry, my video is too shaky. Here is the octa-core 1.8 GHz CPU and a 4 GB RAM. Here you can see that 64 GB internal, where 52 GB is free. And the latest security patch is here. Android 6 2017 12.5. So when I update, it's come to the latest. It's quite smooth, and its UI is MIUI 9. So here we get in the boxes and the phone. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like, please like and subscribe. More video coming soon. Thank you.